Good morning, Racks. Today is Monday, April 6th, which makes it a National Student Athlete Day. And if you are a student athlete, especially a current one right now, because you're in track, remember the season is still on and there's really no indication that we are going to cancel it at this point. So continue to work out and be in shape because it's going to be a quick training session before we can get underway. Couple of big things going on. If you haven't been following the news, masks and gloves are now recommended when you go out somewhere, which you shouldn't be doing much of. Social distancing is still the number one thing, but make sure that you are using those things as if you went to the store or something like that, which you really shouldn't be doing. Check with your classes. Market period ends by April 10th. I know for me, I'm going to be doing a workout each day that you can join in, noon today, 3:30 tomorrow. But check with each class and make sure that there's nothing that you can't make up. Don't just sit there and take an F this quarter when you might need a better grade. Not much else to go through other than Lau. Happy birthday to Lau here today. That's all I got for today. Have a great Monday, Rax.